Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. So today, just picked up the iPhone SE 2020 edition, and here it is. I already took it out of the plastic and I just wiped it down with rubbing alcohol, God forbid. I have not opened it yet. So here is what it looks like. And this thing is pretty spectacular. Just like every other iPhone, it's basically the same exact size and dimensions as the iPhone 6, 7, and 8. The regular ones, not the Plus. Here is what it looks like. It's basically an iPhone. Woohoo. This is what it comes with. It's got the documentation and the SIM ejector tool. It's got your plug. It's got your headphones. These are the lightning headphones, not like the original ones that came with the 6. These headphones have a lightning connector. They do not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So it is definitely a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, I'm filming it with my iPhone 11 Pro Max Super Duper. I don't even know what the heck it's called anymore. You know, the good one. Of course, you got your power lock button right there. Back of it is glass. It looks absolutely beautiful. Way cooler than the 6, 7, and the 8. Okay, so I got this thing all set up, and this is what it looks like. Really nice screen. I've got the icons zoomed in to make them fill the screen a little bit better. And I'm really liking this. I mean, it's not a big phone at all. To give you a size comparison, this is obviously just like the iPhone 6, 7, and 8. Here is the 7 Plus. Here's the SE. Here's what they look like side by side. If you're used to the 6, 7, and 8, then you're going to love this. You know, if you like the size of it. It is definitely bigger than the old SE, the same size as the iPhone 5. So really cool. I'm really digging this. It's got the nice rounded edges. And I gotta tell you, the screen feels really good. Like scrolling on the screen back and forth, it's super snappy. It's really fast. It definitely feels faster than like the 7 and the 7 Plus and everything. It's really snappy. It's got the same kind of hardware as the new iPhones, and it's stuffed into this really small package. So it does only have one camera on the back, but it is a really, really good camera for what it is. I can't wait. I got a clear case coming in the mail for it. So getting that on Amazon. I will definitely review that as soon as it comes. I just want to show you what it looks like, do a quick unboxing, and I'll be doing more videos of it again coming soon. I just picked up a new iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the 2020 version, so I got a lot of videos to do. And of course, I'm filming this on my iPhone 11 Max Pro, which is amazing. It's my daily driver. I use that for everything. Absolutely love it. It's gonna be my backup phone that I keep with me and use 2 lines kind of thing. So yeah, this really, really amazing phone. Definitely loving it. So I'm gonna have the 11 Pro Max. I'm gonna have this, and I'm going to have my iPad 12.9 inch 2020 version. And then of course, as you can see, I've got my 16-inch MacBook Pro underneath it that I just picked up a couple months ago. Really, really amazing computer, phenomenal laptop. It's got that Super Retina display. For the 64 gig, they're selling it for $399. 128, it's only $50 more. They're selling it for $449. And for the 256, they're selling for $549. So I don't think you really need the 256 right now. I mean, if you're just a regular user, the 64 will be fine. But if you want to put, more pictures and more movies and apps and all kinds of stuff and just kind of future-proof it, I would definitely spend 50 more right now and go with the 128, $50. It seems like a lot right now, even though the phone's 400, it brings it up to 450, but at the same time, it's going to future-proof it. It's going to make it so that, a year, 2, 3 years down the road, if you still have the phone, you're not going to really need to upgrade because you'll have more space on it, more storage. I apologize, I've been up since 2 o'clock in the morning today. I was outside working all day on the yard. I made some more videos for outside and how to cut the grass and how to do thatching. So if you're into lawn care and everything, definitely check back for those videos. I already started all my lawn care segments last week and the week before, so I'm gonna keep it going through this week. You're gonna have the best lawn in your neighborhood if you keep watching my videos, and you're definitely gonna keep up with tech, and you're gonna have the coolest gadgets on the block also. Make sure you pick up one of these just so you can keep busy while you're sitting at home doing nothing, or watching my videos, or watching somebody else's videos, or just having fun, or talking to your friends, whatever. I would highly, highly recommend this. It is just a jam-packed feature phone for $400. I wouldn't even bother getting an old iPhone. I would just get this if you can't afford a better one. $400 is not cheap by any means, but at the same time, it is the cheapest iPhone you can get right now, and it is by no means a cheap phone. It has a lot of awesome features that they kind of trickled down from the bigger iPhones, the bigger, better ones, like the one I got, the iPhone 11, and they're taking that technology and putting it into this. I'll come back with a full in-depth review and kind of show you everything that's going on with the phone. Also, I got to go for now, but check back for some more cool videos on this phone. I'll do a bigger review and show you what's up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. If you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself, as always, I'm going to leave a link down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.